yeah, let's get into it. Let's go. I don't do dabbing. Fuck that shit. All right, so I got something different. Well, I was gonna say completely different for you today, but that's definitely not the case. Because it's still hype, it's just not sneakers. So what can it be? What can it be? I can tell you what it could be. It could be toys. Toys can be hype. Yeah, toys can be hyped, definitely. It could be bags. Bags count. Yeah, I think bags count. I mean, I want to get the bag, so if you got the bag, give me the bag, because the bag means a lot of money. I bought something, and it's not sneakers, but it is some hype clothing. Technically, it's a hype brand. Well, it's basically one of the hypest brands out there. As you already read in the title anyway, you already know what this is about. This is about Supreme. I bought some Supreme. I don't know from which week it was. I have no idea. I mean, it shipped on October 5th. It took them a while to get here though, but it came all the way from, you know where Supreme's from? Probably, you know, it's from New York, right? Well, this came all the way from London, way closer to home. So, and they have a Supreme over there. I really need to go there one day. I've never been in Supreme London before. Nope. I got some stuff. It's normal. It wasn't a big Supreme drop anyway. Let's see what I got. I got me this incredibly shiny hat. I didn't think it was gonna be this shiny, but believe me, it's this shiny. So yeah, this is really shiny. I don't mind it being shiny. I mean, shine bright like a diamond stuff. I just wanted to let you see what it looks like, so you can tell me what it looks like, because I don't have my glasses on, and I have this little display on the side of my camera. But because I don't have my glasses on, I'm not able to see jack shit. So I mean, I can still see from up close, but what do you guys think? I think this is too big. It always is, so I always have to bend it. So I'll still have to do that. So eventually it will look kind of like this. Does it look good? I can tighten this up a bit. It's a bit too loose, but I like it. It's a black cap, hat, whatever. So it'll be all right. And it's nylon. This baby is not gonna get dirty. Well, it can get dirty. It's just not gonna break easily. With the Bucks logo over here, I chose the all black on black because it's already shiny. So I was like, well, I don't know what the other colors are gonna do when they're this shiny. Bucks logo is always good, right? I mean, it feels good. It feels good wearing it on my head. But that's one. I'm not gonna wear it throughout the whole video because, as you can see, I did my hair with nothing in it because I'm not allowed to wear products in my hair yet because I had a hair transplantation. On to the next. I think I forgot the most important part. I got the sticker. I've never had one before. Oh, I've never had one before. I'm super happy with this one. I might put it here like a proper hype beast. It's a Supreme box logo, right? So I can put it on this one right here and then resell it for 300 bucks. If you really want the red Supreme box logo on your cap. T-shirt right here. It's a pretty simple, basic navy t-shirt. Here we go, lads. Here we fucking go, lad. Oh, look. Can I resell this as well? Hey, if anybody wants to buy this, €5. All right? €5, you can have this bag. I don't know if I'm gonna ship it to you because I don't know if you ship this, they have to ship this in a bag. They have to ship this in an envelope because now it's fucked up if I do this. They have to put it in a box. And then I can put the sticker on it, and guess what we have? A box with a logo. A box logo. But I can resell this for $5 as well, right? That's how it works. I might just put it, if I buy a scooter again, I'm gonna put this on my scooter, on my moped. Back to the t-shirt. I didn't buy anything real, well, you can still resell this anyway, but I didn't really buy anything hype. I mean, there wasn't anything in particular. The North Face just came out though. That looked so dope. They sold that leather jacket for 1,100. 1,100 euros. That's a lot of money, even for a leather jacket. It did look good. I wanted to, if I did buy it, I would have bought the navy one, because that looked sick. It was sort of navy, but purplish. Blue jacket, black fanny pack, that would be cool. But I slept on it today, because when I woke up, the Nike 97s Off-White came out today as well, so I went for that, and I absolutely took a big fat L. The worst thing about it, I really wanted to get the Nike Zoom Fly SBs with undercover. I really wanted to get one of those. I really wanted the purple one. I actually want to work out with those sneakers. Since I went for here comes the stupid part, people. The Off-White was a raffle. For some reason, reason I went for that one first, even though I knew that the undercovers was gonna be first come, first serve. And getting into the raffle was pretty hard because I'll be honest, I wasn't awake yet, so my hat was poofy. Yeah, we're in the raffle. I couldn't recognize my face. I couldn't recognize my face. So I went on for about definitely a minute. And then, okay, I'll just put my password in. And then while I was typing, it recognized my face. So I entered the raffle. Things were all cool. And then I went to the undercover ones and they were not in my size anymore. And I couldn't find them anywhere else. I got lucked out today. This is an extra large. I know the t-shirt usually are a bit bigger, but I still want to get my size. It looks good, right? Yeah, feels good. What did I pay for this though? Did I pay that much? Let's just not look at the price. So this is, I like it. It's pretty simple. So it's navy. I love t-shirts with pockets on them. So this one has a pocket and then it says Supreme in green. It's just pretty basic, but I can wear this more often. If you know which sneakers I should wear with this, just let me know in the comments down below. All right, let's just open it. I bought a sweater. It's a sweater. It's not like a very thick sweater. It's more of a long t-shirt. It's magenta. I like this. It has a cool big ass logo on the front. It says Supreme means highest. Supreme means highest. So the highest quality, the highest hype. Just looking at the inside, sorry guys. See what it looks like. Looks good, looks good. No, I'll just show this one up close because it's pretty hard to see from all the way over there, right? So here we go. I thought this was pretty dope. I didn't know why this one wasn't sold out yet. They had different colors, but I'll be honest, I like this color. I think it's funky. And here we go. This is the t-shirt. Normally I would just say I didn't buy a lot, but I bought one more thing, and considering it being Supreme and the prices, I don't think they're that cheap, to be honest. I mean, you can resell it obviously for a lot more, but I don't think I really did. I don't know why I didn't, but I really want to get the socks with Hanes and the boxers. So I'll buy those next time and I'll show you it. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to show you what the boxer looks like when I'm wearing it. I wasn't planning on doing that. Still not. Last thing that I bought. I really hope this fits me. These are pants. As you can probably tell, these are pants. And these aren't regular pants. These are cargo pants. And boy, let me tell you, I love me some cargo pants. I really do. These are just all black because I needed black pants anyway. And I like cargo pants. And I saw these and I was like, why not buy them? So I did. And now I'm here telling you this. The only way you can tell this is Supreme is if you open up my pants and look at this, you'll see Supreme. And there's this small Supreme logo on the back. So as you can see, I'm not here for the hype, guys. I just buy what I like. So if there's not a big ass logo on it, I don't care. If I like it, I'll buy it. They don't really sell size 38 and I'm a size 38 usually. But considering this being from America, I've been in a Supreme store in Japan. That was pretty cool. I actually tried on some pants. I don't know, why did I not buy those? I really did like them. They were like the ombre joggers. But I did buy these cargo pants. And they're just black, so I really want to try these on. And as I always say, rock 'em, don't stock 'em. I mean, I wear everything I got. I wear all my sneakers, but there are a couple of sneakers that I've never worn before because I couldn't. I just didn't get a chance to wear them yet. These pants are extremely big. Holy crap. So this is a size 36. I just wanted to show you it. I am wearing my new Supreme with NBA Air Force Ones. If you're wondering how I got these, go watch the video from last week. These pants are extremely big. I definitely have to wear some sort of belt with it. I really don't mind oversized pants. I did, however, tighten these up all the way on the top. T-shirt on the other hand is just a regular fit. It's good. So as you can see, I'm still wearing the pants. It is an extra large and it feels really good, but I think the sleeves are a bit short for me though. But I know I do have some long arms. It fits pretty good. Fits pretty good. I like it. And I got the hat on now because it matches. And everything matches now. I didn't even realize. I love t-shirts with long sleeves. Look at my heat, by the way. You're never too old to wear anything. I don't care what anybody says. Just do you. Okay, cool. That's it. That's everything I bought. And I hope you like it. Let me know in the comments down below which one you like the most and if this is too shiny or not. Because it is really shiny and it's probably more shiny right now because of the lamp that I'm using. I like it though. It fits pretty good. It feels stupid wearing it like this. I really have to do this. I can just feel the way it looks, if you know what I mean. And it feels stupid. But yeah, so that's it. Let me know in the comments down below which one you like the most. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up. There's gonna be a lot more. I'm just gonna wear this and rock it. All right, that's it. See you guys.